Amazing. Look at this. Wow. And so delicious. OFAM?
Yes.
Wow, man, so delicious. I'm Mia. Hello, brothers. Yeah, so, man, I'm in Water region and I came to this village over here called Manfe. And I just found this food over here called OFAM. And I go for the kake. Kake. So this is how it looks like. Man, it's kind of, it looks like the Jamaican food I tried. Let me taste and see because it looks the same, kind of, the color and everything. But here, they use ripe plantain, very ripe plantain for this process. Which is a plantain today? Plantain and what?
Corn flour.
Plantain and corn flour. Yes. And what again?
Pepper and salt.
So 14. So plantain, corn flour, pepper and salt to make this. Then you mix everything together. Yes. Then you boil it. Yes. Okay. So OFAM or kake, as Voltarians call it. So you can see the plantain inside here. Yeah. So the plantain, you have to pound it.
Yes.
You pound it.
Yes.
You pound it. Okay. Okay. Wow. It's nice, man. You feel the taste of the ripe plantain. I wait even if you're a pity no. I don't say plantains are. I don't say fancy food, but we're a pity. And some of the plantains are about me process no.
It's the same process as kaklo.
Kaklo, okay.
But kaklo is roasted.
Roasted,
corn flour,
okay.
But this is just the
Boiling, okay. Wow, man, it's like so delicious, man. Wow.
And this one they didn't fry it. They wrapped
So you eat it like that? No, you don't want anything?
No.
Okay. So as I keep saying, village life, man, is one of the dopest places you can be. A food like this, you are good to go, man. Only add water. Wow. Amazing. Look at this. Wow. And so delicious. OFAM?
Yes.
Wow.
Okay.
So you feel the flavor of the flour also inside it. Yeah. You see how it's bent. Wow. Wow. Man, it's so delicious. I'm Mia. I call it keke or my friend.
pepper kakra, but
we will say pepper and I say ginger.
Whether ginger.
Yeah, but you have that.
It tastes minty.
Yeah. Nice. Pepper didn't get that much. Ginger doesn't get that much, but you feel it meant to be inside, like some kind of spicy kind of way. But in who the ginger and pepper, but I just feel it. So this is afternoon. This is lunch, and everybody has half of it. Yeah. So I keep saying village life is the best place and organic, healthy. So just imagine corn flour with plantain. It's very heavy, so very little. You are full. You only need water. You are good to go. Sweet? Bueno. Good? Delicious? You like it? Every winter. Yeah. Wow.